Nigeria is full of problems, but problems are not always bad because every problem is also an opportunity. In many developed countries, software apps solve everyday problems. They help people to find jobs, help them to grow businesses, they even help the government to work better. Now, it's actually Africans' turn. Nigeria already has about 45,000 app economic jobs. That means people working because of the app, building them, running them, or using them. Countries like Egypt, South Africa are also growing, but Nigeria can do much more. So this is the big question. If Nigeria has so many problems, why don't we have so many apps solving them? So why do many apps in Nigeria start slowly or die completely? Let's talk about it. When people hear app, you think about mobile transfer, games, social media, and delivery service. But software is bigger than that. Apps can fight unemployment, app can help small businesses to grow, app can increase government tax revenue, and apps can also reduce poverty. In Nigeria, the mobile and software sector is already creating jobs and it's already helping the economy. But the truth is we are only scratching the surface. Let's briefly look at a Nigerian problem. Artisans, plumbers, electricians, carpenters, and mechanics. Everyone needs them, right? Let's say most people need them, right? So developers had smart ideas to build apps that connect artisans and customers together. Great idea, right? So many apps were created. But here's the problem. Most of them do not grow. Many of them shut down. So what went wrong? The problem is not the idea, the problem is reality. Nigeria is not London, neither is it New York. Business in Lagos does not work the same way as the one in abroad. Here are the realities that Nigerian apps face. First, internet problems. The internet is unstable, data is expensive, so apps that need constant internet. Second, payment. You must work with Nigerian system. Paystack, Flutterwave, bank transfer, USSD. Those are actually lifesavers nowadays. If payment is hard, users will surely leave. Third, regulations. Nigeria has rules. The NRP for data, CBN for finance, NAFDAC for health and food. What does this mean? Rules can change fast. The apps must be flexible. The fourth one is the infrastructure gap, and this is actually the biggest one. You cannot build an ambulance app if the ambulance system is not working well. You cannot copy foreign solutions and expect them to work over here. Now, notice something interesting. The apps that succeed mostly in Nigeria are fintech. They are thriving actually. Opay, Palmpay, Flutterwave. And why is that? Because they have accepted Nigerian reality. They didn't wait for perfect conditions and infrastructure. They built around the system, the slow network. They built around it. When you are talking about poor banking access, you have mobile wallet. When you are talking about slow systems, you have simple and fast app. When you are talking about cash economy, you have easy transfer. They didn't fight the reality. They designed for it. The real problem is this. Most apps in Nigeria are copied ideas, not custom solutions, not something that is meant for us and that will help us. They are built like foreign apps, but now dropped into Nigerian conditions. That doesn't work. Nigeria doesn't need more apps actually. Nigeria needs a weird app. Nigeria needs apps that are aware of Nigerian problems and will thrive in Nigerian system. Apps that understand power problems, internet problems, trust issues, which is very important because we don't trust each other in this country. You have the payment habit and government rules. The solution is to make custom-made software. Apps built for Africa, for Nigeria, with our problems in mind. Apps that work offline first. Apps that use local payment. Apps that are simple, not heavy. Apps that can bend, not break when rules change. When we build like this, more apps will survive, more jobs will be created, more people will earn, and the economy will grow. Software is not just about tech people, honestly. If you look at this, I've been trying to explain to you. It's about jobs, growth, hope. Nigeria has talent. Nigeria has problem worth solving. If we build apps that understand our reality, then growth is not a dream, it's a choice, and that choice starts with how we build. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Like and subscribe, share. Catch you later. Like, thumbs up. Thank you.